Governor ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga oyango ni obiro chulo ne rawere maya county ma Homa Bay nengo chako ohala mar permit kaka yor jiwo gi madonje ohala nyato mago manoyudo chenro no mar nyota. Bende olando ni obiro chulo ne gi omenda mar SHA kaka yor neno ni midhiero mag midhusi okomono gi dhi mbele gi ohelni mag noweki ne nyasi mar chiwo omenda mag nyota ne rawere county ma Kisumu, nyasi manotelo gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto.
Governor of Homa Bay, I want to make my commitment as head of the government in Homa Bay that when these young people come to do business in Homa Bay, they shall not pay for any permit, they shall not pay for anything. Hiyo itakuwa juu yangu. Kwa sababu staki ugonjwa ifanye waanguke kwa biashara. Nitalipia hao wote 3,300 SHA yao wakae hapo waendelee nayo. Nimepiga hesabu na niko na kitu ya kuwalipia SHA about 20 million shillings. Hao watu wangu wa Homa Bay hao